What's up everybody? I know it's been a minute since I've been doing a vlog, but I'm back and I'll try to do more of these in the future. So today I just got something new in the mail and I'm excited to do a box opening. I'll give you a hint. It looks something like this, only a whole lot newer. Let's open this thing up. So this is a GoPro Hero 7 Black. Or GoPro Hero Black 7. I don't know, it's Black something 7 Pro Go, I don't know. I skipped the 5, I used the Hero 6 in St. Kitts and Turks and Caicos for some destination wedding work, and I really like the image of the GoPro Hero 6, and that's why I decided to go for it last month. And then I jumped on YouTube and I saw Casey Neistat posted a video with the CEO of GoPro introducing the GoPro Hero 7. And then my mind was like, really? I haven't bought a GoPro in years. I buy it and the new one comes out that same month. But luckily, I ordered it through Amazon, so it was within that 30 days of me returning it, and guess what I did? So with that being said, let's get back to the box opening. GoPro always makes their packaging look so pretty. It comes with all these accessories, excellent. And let's open this thing up. Nice little tear strip there. And that's it. This case is done. And so it comes mounted to this piece here. So let's go ahead and pop this open. Push this forward. Here it is. I don't know when they changed the mounts on the GoPros, but I really like how they have this rubber thing that you push up and then squeeze. It makes it a whole lot easier to install and remove these things. But check this thing out. This thing looks really slick. And they have the touchscreen on the back so you can see what you're doing and control the camera. Let's see what else is in here. So there's the instructions I just kind of skipped. We got some instruction manual stuff on how to take it out of the case and the micro SD card. I hate micro SD cards. I really mean this. I hate micro SD cards. Alright, so quick start instructions. Alright, get that out of here. We got some GoPro sticker swag. Here's a real deal safety instructions that I probably will never read. Alright, what else is in here? Alright, we have a sticky mount, number one. We have a curved sticky mount. We have the charging cable. I noticed this on my Hero 6, they actually changed the charging cable from a micro USB to a USB-C. I actually like that because I have one of the newer MacBook Pros and it's actually easier just to use that charger as opposed to carry around another micro USB because there's that thicker one that I don't really have a lot of other stuff that I charge with it. And the last piece in here is the battery. So let's just get this out. Open this thing up. I'm legit trying to get this out of the case right now. It's pretty tight. Alright, let's put this battery in here. One thing I didn't read about the GoPro Hero 6 is you want to make sure that this little notch is pointed straight up when you close this battery. Otherwise, it's not water sealed, which could be really bad. So that's popped up. We can take out this sticky. Bye, Mr. Turtle. And turn it on. There it is. It works. So let's set this as English, legal stuff, capture location, sure. Install the GoPro app on your phone, okay. Okay, so I was just trying to set this up and now it's saying to go to the GoPro app on my phone to finish installation. They're here. Check out the all-new GoPro Hero 7 lineup. I am. How do you set this thing up here? Add a camera. So I'm going to click add a camera to set this thing up. Alright, we found your GoPro. Connect. So I did not go to my settings and actually add this to my Wi-Fi. I just knew the camera was there and clicked connect to camera. Pair. Sea King Photography Hero 7 Black. That sounds like a cool name. Okay, so now it's updating the GoPro. I didn't really give it permission, but okay. Oh, it wasn't. Excuse me. It was actually just checking to see if there's an update. So yeah, let's go ahead and update it. So in hindsight, we won't be doing an update right now because I need to have the battery charged up more. I mentioned something about memory card. So with that being said, the box has sufficiently been opened. We have the GoPro Hero 7 out. I'm gonna put this thing on the charger, and I guess on the next video, we'll actually go through using it and seeing some test footage. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. I'll be doing a lot more videos in the future, even more frequently. Heck, I'll be reviewing this thing very soon. So be sure to watch the next video. I will see you on the next one. Bye.